So the weather is not looking promising for our pool party. Good morning, you guys. It is Monday, Memorial Day. It's the day of my in-laws' anniversary party. Hi. Okay, hi. And it's supposed to be a pool party, which would be great. We have like 60 or 70 people supposed to come, except it is pouring the rain out there. I don't know if you can see it. So it is literally raining on our plans and parade. So we are exhausted today. I was up till right at midnight making this sign for the party. They called last minute and said they needed some sort of a sign for when you first walk in. And I just free-handed it and whipped it together. So, so we're a little bit exhausted. But the girls look so cute. They've got coordinating outfits. Come here, Lakeland. Where's your shoes? Hey. Turn around here, look. Say cheese. Smile. So, all I have to do is wrap their present and we'll be ready to go. By the way, some of you may be wondering what's in the box. I'll show you when we get there. We are loading up in the car. I got my diaper bag. Not diaper bag, it is our swim bag. And this one, I just nursed her and she fell asleep. And I'm hoping she's gonna fall asleep the whole way. It's about a 40-minute drive to his parents' house. And if not, she'll scream the whole way, so. Fingers crossed that she'll stay asleep. So the weather is not looking promising for our pool party. You can tell how rainy it is. But we're gonna get wet, not just from the pool. Fortunately, this one is still asleep. I don't know if we can see her. So hopefully she'll be in a good mood when we get there, because I'm sure everyone's gonna want to pass her around like a hot potato.
She should wake up.
The whole way.
Thumbs up.
Kelly's going to take pictures. If they go off the diving board.
What are you doing? Oh, yeah?
What are you doing in the dog bed?
Dog?
What do you think's in the box?
What do you think it is?
My first thought is that it's going to be a picture. My second thought is, I don't know.
You'll soon find out.
Okay, come on now.
Yeah.
This is a pretty package. You got that
She was very
nice.
sharp.
I've always wanted from her.
It's a picture of some monkeys.
Yeah. Oh,
Look at that.
I will thank you.
That's the reveal.
Let's go play.
Oh.
I'm turn the air conditioner.
Nice. All 5 grandkids with the antique wagon.
Yeah.
Well, the rain has slacked off a little bit. It's barely misting, and we are hoping that it stays this way. The girls will be able to get in and play for at least a little while, so. there's been a break in the weather and the kids are gonna try to make it work and go swimming a little bit. Not this kid, it's too cold for that, but the big kids and Lakeland, and I think, well, we'll see who's out there. Lakeland, are you gonna go swimming?
She knows not to get in the big pool that way.
Well, she's got those on. She'll be fine. What do you think, T? What do you think? Jeez.
Now you're in the pool and I go. No one is safe.
Good job, Lakeland.
3, 2, 1, go! Let him go first, though.
Lakeland, come let me see your lips. Are your lips purple?
You didn't hit me! No. I knew you were flying!
Oh, funny. Woo!
Back up.
There we go. Now you're good. Super, super, super.
Are your lips purple, Lakey?
Look at mommy.
Where are you? I can't see your face. I can't see your face. Daddy to the rescue. She's raising. Whoosh. All right, let's get you dressed, baby girl. Get that wet bathing suit off, okay?